Good morning, my dear friends. This eye look was highly requested. Y'all are not gonna believe how easy it is. Let's do this. All right. I'm trying to see if I still have those 1-minute reels. Stories. I don't think I do. No. Maybe? No. You know, IG, you give us these wonderful, fantastic things that make our IG life so much easier, and then you snatch them away. This is the palette that I used. I'm telling y'all, I think this is one of my favorite palettes of 2022. I love every single color in this palette. Now, what I did, remember, I'm always filming a TikTok. I grabbed this shade, and we just grab it on one side of our brush. I'm using an E28. From here, I'm just going to make sure that, remember, this base is going to kind of move around until you set it. And then we'll just start to really pack that onto the lid. Press it into that base. Now it's nice and set. It's not going to crease or move around. I'm telling y'all, this look is so easy. So take that, and then I'm going to take it pretty far up in the crease while Jean snores. Then I grabbed a little bit of this shade, and we're going to continue the transition. Tap it on your brow bone, bring it all the way over here, and finish by going all the way over this way. Okay, now take your brush and wipe it on your Sheila. Everybody needs a Sheila. That should be good. Okay, so this is where you pick up your shadow on your brush really matters. So this is an incredibly simple look, but it's just technique that makes it look a little fancy, a little spicy. So I just grabbed this shade and I grabbed it on the tip of my brush, like so. You see it there? So instead of swiping back and forth, I tilted my head back and I packed it into the crease. And I'm just pressing. I'm moving my brush back and forth, but I'm building up that color first. If I was to just go in and swipe, it would just kind of disappear and get muddy. So I'm picking up more of that exact same shade, and I'm just going to continue to build this up by pressing. Press it all the way over there. Once you have it built up, then you'll take your brush, and you'll see how far back I'm holding it. And I'm just going to kind of swirl back and forth, and here I'm using very light pressure. And I'm just kind of dragging it towards my nose. Still notice I'm not doing like that. Every single movement is deliberate. I'm taking a little bit of the purple again just to kind of pack it on the lid, clean up anything, make it really vibrant. And we're about to move on to liner now. So then I added my Valentino Beauty Liner. I'll finish that. I gotta get a little bit closer. I can't finish that on my phone, but I can do this. Jean is such a noisy boy today. Alright, I added my mascara, but let me tell you something. Sometimes when you use pastels, they're going to leave a residue on your lash, and no matter how close you try to get with your mascara wand, you can't get close enough. But that's what I'm here for. Let me show you. Grab some of your mascara on a little angle brush and just go right on top of the lash. You can even run it through this way too. If you have a fan brush, that's a great tool to use too, but a lot of us don't have fan brushes because they're kind of only one purpose, but an angle brush you can use so many different ways. I'm gonna go ahead and link the E26. It's a spicy brush, and I know a lot of times I feel like bent liner brushes, they're kind of slept on, but there's so many different uses for this brush. I use it for eyeshadow, liner, brows, what I just did with the mascara. So I'm gonna leave a link. And if you ever have questions or if you need more ideas on how to use it, you know where I'm at. Okay, I have to run downstairs because my lashes are downstairs. Be right back. Look who needed snuggled. This drippy boy. He's very drippy. Oh, he's really cute. very thick, very purry. You're so sweet. Oh, I love you so. I'm sorry. Jean just does something to me. I will turn into something. Oh, he's just so sweet and snuggly. Oh, he's such a happy boy. He's such a happy. Look at those cheeks. How am I supposed to function with cheeks like this? Look at that. Look at her right here. Oh my God, right there. Look at right there where them whiskers are. I love him. So let's do the House of Lashes. Jean Bean edition. There's a Jean Bean hair on there. These are North Fairy Lights. They're one of my faves at the moment. So this is going to be my second time trying this Lancome foundation. I don't think I loved it the first time, but that's why we try everything 3 times, and we actually have to wear them and just kind of play around with them. That match is real nice. They actually sent me a shade, which it's too light, but the original shade that I tried is the one that I purchased. To be honest, I feel like I'm way too impatient these days, so I just run out and buy it the moment it's available because I want to try it. I get excited, y'all. I just feel that it just doesn't really do much. And I'm not even into wild full coverage, y'all know that. But I do like a little bit of blur, and sometimes you can get that from products that don't even have a whole lot of coverage. This one just, I don't know. Again, we're gonna try it some more, but I just don't feel like it's super impressive. Now I'll tell you what I do love, and it's this Sephora Concealer. I'm so excited for y'all to try it. I'm just so excited. So I like to mix these two. You don't need to mix, but I just love it because this one acts more like a corrector on me. And then I use this one to kind of mix in and just do a little bit of brightening. Yes. And then a little bit there. Just to kind of brighten the center of the face, brighten through here. So I've been using my E29 to tap this out, and I'm going to tag the person that told me that she had been using the E29 this way. And she is a fancy celebrity makeup artist. If this is good enough for Sydney Sweeney, it's good enough for me. But I love it. So I'm actually using the side to kind of press it in first. And especially if you don't use a whole lot of concealer, you have to remember a lot of times in celebrity makeup, they use the smallest amount and then they just try to build from that. So they don't go in with Tarte Shape Tape in a triangle like I used to do and then try to blend it out with this. They go in with small amounts, probably sometimes even smaller than what I have here. So this brush would be perfect for smaller amounts of concealer. Let's go ahead and set our under eye. I'm using the Givenchy powder, but I'm using shade 4. I used to use shade 3, which was the pink, and I still love it, but again, I just do everything in seasons. Right now, I'm kind of getting away from the pink. Just for a second, still love it. If you're wearing it, I'm gonna love it on you. It's gorgeous. But I just always like to switch things up. It's fun. Now, with whatever's left on my puff, I'm just gonna go ahead and lightly set the outer perimeter. This has been one of my favorite waterline colors for 100 years. Okay, not 100 years, but for many years, ever since it released. It's ColourPop Cosmetics Crybaby, and it's pastel purple. It's just so pretty. If I'm doing a purple eye, I want this in my waterline. I'm feeling spicy. This is a very, very spicy priced bronzer, but it's quite lovely, and Westman Atelier is actually a lovely, lovely brand. And I love how buildable this is. So it actually looks really light in the pan. And I was even like, but it's so buildable. It's so pigmented. I love it. And sometimes it's fun to just try out some real spicy, expensive stuff. So pretty. Oh, I forgot to tag the brush. It's the C40. It's real spicy. basically does all the blending work for you. So you kind of just build it here, and then I'm all about transitioning, transition, transition, transition. And this brush transitions for you. And I want you to notice that this shorter part is pointed towards my ear. Just kind of press, focus the product here, and then just kind of keep pressing upwards. And then you get a beautiful, beautiful blended transition bronzer. So I love peach and purple together. So I'm gonna grab Copper Tone Blush from MAC. It's kind of a peachy copper. It's more of a matte copper. Isn't that pretty? Go to town. Go to blush town. I just feel like wearing a bunch of blush today. And I actually didn't apply anything to my bottom lashes, just some mascara. My favorite mascara. And you can see why. Look at that. Ooh, this color. Now I know it's very, very nude. That is what lip liner is for, but man, that is pretty. I think this is a new color from Dose of Colors. It's called Plush. Now I'm a little spiced because y'all were looking for this and apparently it's discontinued. It's one of my favorites. Do I need to take this to TikTok? Do I need to tag ColourPop? Honestly, I want y'all to try this. We might have to start a makeup uprising. Now I'm gonna grab a Dose of Colors lip liner in the shade Truffle. That is so pretty with this lip color. This is going to excite y'all. So I want to do a giveaway, but I want to do a giveaway differently. So most giveaways I see, they always say tag 2, 3, 10 friends. And I don't want to do it that way because honestly, I want to do a giveaway because I love you all so much. So I'm going to put that together this week and you don't have to tag anybody. All I want you to do is just say something nice. Let's just spread kindness. And I'll post all of that, but I got excited and wanted to tell y'all it hasn't been posted. Just wait a second and it will be. But I wanted to do something differently. So I thought y'all would want to know. Basically, I want to do a giveaway where I gain nothing from it. I'm not going to gain followers because you don't have to tag anybody. I want to do something just for you. Okay, we're all done. Told you this was easy. Also, this new lip combo, new fave. And these earrings. The earrings are from 8 Other Reasons. They actually sent these to me. So cute. I love their jewelry. I have bought so much of their jewelry. I love their jewelry. Now I'm going to take a little 20-minute break. I'm going to run to Starbucks and then I'm going to come back and film some more videos. I have some fun educational videos. I'm posting something educational tonight about concealer. It is an ad, but I mean, you're still going to learn something. And that's what I've been doing with my ads. I don't want to just do an ad. I want you to gain something from it. But you best believe I'm also going to be filming some more lip gloss videos. Y'all have so many requests. I'm having so much fun with that. So my page will always be educational first and foremost, but sometimes it's really fun to get on sparkly, glossy tangents. I love it. I love you all so much. I'm gonna take my little break and then I'm gonna come back and start filming. I love you and I'll see you in the comments tonight. Okay, ColourPop, listen. Listen up. You got my eye twitching. Why? Why was this discontinued? We need to know. This is the Crybaby Cream Gel Liner and I have it here on my waterline and it's absolutely beautiful. It's so pigmented. It's the perfect pastel purple. And I used it today and my sweet supporters, they were looking for it and they couldn't find it. We need it back. We need it. Please and thank you.